Hey guys, I'm back with another video and I'm back with another unboxing. This time I did a slight upgrade. I'm currently running the M1 2020 Mac Mini, and I decided, let me go out today and, as I was picking up my wife's iPad, I decided to get myself a little something. And this is the M4 Mac Mini, and I did bump it up a little when it comes to the specs. So I decided to go a little step up with the configuration. So the M4 comes with 10 core CPU, 10 core GPU, and 16 core neural engine. It also has a 120 gigabyte memory bandwidth. The difference between this one and the base is I upgraded the SSD to 512. My previous Mac Mini had 256, and I learned very quickly, especially with editing videos, it does eat up a lot of space. So what I did was I bumped up to 512. I know 512 isn't major, but what I did do is also brought a 5 terabyte hard drive to move my work over to that. So again, this is the Mac Mini 512 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes of RAM version. I got it for a little above 800 with tax. So we're gonna go ahead and look around. I love the fact that it's a smaller older model, which was basically around for a while, and even the previous one before that was way bigger. But I love this compact, and it cleans up my desk rather. It looks much better aesthetically with this one. So just quickly go ahead and pull this tab here. And again, I know I'm not going to get any Apple stickers. I do have some older Apple stickers that I hold on to. And, if you ever had Apple products with stickers, those were the good old days. Okay, very easy to slide out. This big slab of aluminum. Very nice, very compact. It reminds me of the Apple TV, which is another one I might upgrade once there is a new version. It's been a while since Apple has updated or upgraded the Apple TV. Let's go ahead and take that off. So looking around, you do have your two USBs up front, your nice fan at the bottom, your 3.5 millimeter jack in the front. In the back, you have your lightning port. Coming on in the back, you have your 3 Thunderbolt 5 HDMI and your Ethernet. I didn't get the 10 gigabit. I don't really need that much, but I did, get the standard on here, and your power input there. And that's basically it. So very small and compact. Let's put this off to the side. You see what else we get in here. There goes your power cable. I love the robust feel of this. This time Apple stepped up their cable game. The days of, the regular cables that used to slowly turn black and then start stripping, kind of like the lightning cable. But I'm glad Apple has stepped up their quality game. And yep, that's pretty much it, guys. And also here, designed by Apple in California. Also heard rumors that the next Mac Mini will be produced in Texas, or their chips might be produced in Texas, but yeah. So this is a quick setup guide. And that's pretty much it. And again, no sticker, guys. I miss those days, but it is what it is. So that's it for the unboxing, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Do you have this particular Mac Mini? And subscribe if you like. More videos to come. Peace out.